Big purr.
May I ask you a personal question without it is not disrespectful whatsoever.
Me do that
Because you know I do have respect for you. Is is your new wife by chance? Your new wife is not.
I can't see you. You have to come into my dimension. Come
Oh,
into my
okay.
dimension.
One
Come on.
second. One second.
Yeah, adjust your dimension.
Okay.
Boom! There it is.
All
You're in
right.
my world now.
All right.
Now the comments don't mean shit, do they? Because
Okay.
these niggas have to look. If you turn your phone to the side, niggas is goofy to comment that way. You think about it. If I turn the phone to the side and you're still texting, you're a goofy. I can't even read your shit. You see what I'm saying? You made everybody goofy that's in the text now. You just change your dimension. Because if a nigga gonna text with you on the sideways, they desperate.
Yo, my G, have you? This is too much. I'm just. First of all, that was a great joke, but my body just can't contain itself at the point. I'm just. You gotta explain to me what's going on. Explain to me what's going on in the tribe. Explain to me where we are in three. Who is? Who is this? Who is this new?
And the
I'm.
next time, you better make sure that you're in the scene. Get over here and bed now. Hey, act up.
Okay, so I got questions, bro. This is too much for me.
Fix the camera, idiot. Fucking camera, idiot. Oh my god, I need help. Fuck that. I don't need shit. Bring me better service. I want to be served like the king, and I want her to be serviced as a queen. We will not let this look bad. We will not allow this to look bad. I need better. Why are you not? Listen. That's what I just did.
You just spank him?
Man, look at you. I can't
Did
stand
he
it.
just get a spanking? Did you
Excuse
just
me.
give
Don't
your
worry about what I
cameraman
have
a
to do in my
spanking?
household. These are my children. These are my children, and I'll handle them the way I need to handle them.
No, you can
This
handle
is
it
my
whatever.
family.
Listen, you're
It's a family affair here. I'm daddy. These are my children. I'm mommy and daddy. I'm
okay.
mommy and daddy. These are my children. Don't worry
Okay.
about what I do with my children. Call CPS. The bitch can come here every day anyway. These is my kids, bitch.
What
You
is
can't
the
have them.
what is the name of your new wife, please?
Her name is 8, and she will eat you, nigga. And guess what? Her name is Infinite, like the number 8. Infinite. I'm
Okay,
just
I
fucking
know.
with
I
you.
understand that eight
But
is,
she will eat you, though.
sir. Um, is that a flower in the middle of your? That's a flower, right? Yeah, that's a rose. That's a
Where?
rose on your table. Flower,
Yeah,
red flower. Okay. All right. So, sir, we've had various conversations in which you said that I guess you said that the power was in the future was being androgynous, right?
absolutely.
So, by chance, your new queen doesn't have that power, does she?
How?
Is your new queen androgynous?
No, she's transsexual. That's more than androgynous. That's the whole thing.
Okay. So is this a new sexual plateau or is this a new spiritual plateau? What
I told you that the LGBTQ community
is the future?
are my children. They're my children. They are the last on the earth, and I'm going to make them the first. Oh, I'm feeling it. You feel that? Where's the moon at? Aries. Right here. Right here. Aries. Aries.
Um
And huh?
um
Huh?
I I
What you
don't
say, sweetheart?
I um I don't I need to think about the question to ask because I don't know. This is real? Is this real or are you just joshing with me?
It's a money thing. Come, fam. Move on. Move. Get out of my seat. Get out of my life. Bossy, come here.
I feel like I'm not allowed to say certain things.
Move on.
I just want to stay at the
Y'all niggas cannot function together.
I really just want to know some stuff. And I feel like I shouldn't be asking the things that I want to know.
Money. That means I want you to press 3 in triangles. All in the fucking shit. Bye. Oh, who said bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Look at that. They want me to stay. They don't want me to stay. They want me to stay. They better push that 3. You better push the 3. You said go to Twitter? Nah. You know I have my way regardless. All of you are gonna suck my dick in the end. All of you. All of you are gonna suck my dick in the end. Suck my dick. Put a big dick on the screen. How about that one? Suck it. At ease. Do I have any admins in the building? Or should I let the chaos continue? Anyway, this is my new wife, my new queen of carbonation. There you go, big dick. Want a big pussy. A big pussy. Pussy clod. Pussy white boy. Fat. I'm a faggot. I'm a pussy. I'm a pussy. Come fuck me. I'm a pussy. Come fuck me. Big purr. Brr. 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 Jamaicans, all of you Caribbean niggas, it's so funny to me. You say shit like, you a bumperclad pussy wild boy. Patty boy. But God don't like that. It's funny because you say in one breath you say you a pussy clod, and the next minute you say I am a lion from Zion, and a lion is a pussy cat. You pussy ass nigga, make up your fucking mind. Are you a pussy or you not? A lion is a cat. Is it not? A leopard is a cat. Is it not? A lion is a pussy. Is it not? Oh, big pussy, big purr. Purr. Oh, see, you look at the gay shit, it's gay, it's not gay. No more feminine, it's feline. See, that's your true identity. You're all cats. Black cats. Cats. All of you. Cats. You're not gay, you're not feminine, you're felines. And that was your identity. That's why the cat was revered in Egypt, because we're cat people, motherfucker. Yeah. We're cats, motherfucker. Big cats. Big pussy. You bitch ass nigga. Pussy ass nigga. Yeah. I know. Come fuck this pussy. I'm coming, my baby. Big purr. I'm coming, my baby. Yeah, it's a new cat in town. Big purr. Brr. Pussy cloud. Yes, I'm a pussy boy. A big pussy. King of the jungle pussy. Lioness. Lions are feline. Cats are feline. You got your little cats. Meow. Meow. And then you got your big cats. And me, myself, I'm a panther. Oh, there's Sphinx in here. We have